Hey there chess enjoyers! Today I'll show you an opening trap for black that can actually work in real games. It is called the Cambridge Springs trap, and it is a fast and very stunning and beautiful trap in the famous Queen's Gambit decline variation. So it goes after pawns to d4 and d5, followed by white playing pawn to c4, gambiting his c-pawn in this position, and black answering with e6. Now you go with knight to c3, black also develops his knight on f6, on which you play the very common move, which is bishop g5, pinning the black knight on f6 to his queen in this position. So black in this position, most of the cases, will continue with knight to d7, defending and supporting his now attacked knight on f6. And this is already the position where your opponent could possibly fall for the trap. It's pretty simple. He just has to look at your pinned knight here on f6, and you could maybe get the idea and possibly decide to win a pawn in this situation. So if white captures your pawn here on e4, then you as black just capture the pawn back with your own pawn. But if in this position, the player that you are competing against, so the player who plays the white chess piece in this position, decides to even capture your pawn again here on e4, but this time with his knight, and he maybe thinks that you cannot capture the knight back with your own knight on f6 because your bishop on g5 or his bishop is pinning this knight, then he's very wrong about this, and he has done a big mistake in this position and fallen for your trap. Because actually in this position you can just sacrifice your queen on d8 and capture the white knight here on d5. Wait, what? No, I'm not joking. This definitely is the best move in this position. But before I'll show you why, I really would like to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Because I'm really trying to reach the 1000 subscribers right now. And well, how you can see, we are already very close. Thank you. So if white plays the logical move after your queen sacrifice, he'll obviously just, well, capture your queen with his bishop right now, here on d8, like this. So now I've just lost my queen. Thank you, man. What's next? Well, pretty simple. You play the only possible check in this position, which is bishop to b4, just winning your opponent's queen too, the strongest chess piece in the game. Because in this position your opponent can't do anything except from blocking this check with his queen on d2. So you capture the queen with your bishop, your opponent obviously captures back your bishop here on d2, losing his ability to do the castling in this game, and you capture your opponent's bishop on d8 with your king from e8 too, now being up a whole piece and in a way better position than your opponent. Pretty cool, huh? But wait. What if the player that you're playing against does not capture your pawn here on d5 for the second time? Are you just going to lose the game? No, of course not, and definitely not. After common moves like pawn to e3 or also c6 and so on, you are standing in an equal position against your opponent, and this is exactly the reason why the Cambridge Springs trap, is a very good opening trap that can really work and be played in real chess games against real opponents. Well, this was then with this video. I really hope that you liked it. If you liked it, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to write down there in the comments about which other chess topics you want to have a brand new video. Till next time, bye!